Just imagine a place where crude oils, chemical reactions, and high-speed machines come together to transform a simple material into a fragrant, soft, and shiny soap. A soap that has become a part of everyday life. Inside a vast industrial unit, large steel tanks can be seen filled with raw oils. Palm oil, coconut oil, and other fatty compounds are collected here. Each tank is maintained at a specific temperature so that the oil remains in its optimal condition. These raw oils first pass through a filtration system where fine filters remove all kinds of impurities. Only clean and pure oil moves to the next stage. Now this oil is transferred to a large reactor unit, where a powerful chemical process begins. Sodium hydroxide is carefully added, and as soon as the two combine, a reaction starts, which is called saponification. Inside the reactor, the temperature continuously rises. Large agitators rotate rapidly to mix the contents, and gradually a thick, creamy soap base begins to form. This is the stage where oil loses its original form and takes on a completely new identity. Now this soap base is sent to a mixing unit, where various additives are introduced: fragrant compounds, coloring agents, and skin conditioning elements. As these ingredients are added, the entire mixture turns into a uniform, fragrant, and colorful paste. This mixture then passes through a milling machine, where it is repeatedly pressed and rolled, so that its texture becomes completely smooth, with no graininess left. Now this soft soap enters an extruder machine, from where it comes out in the form of long, continuous strips. These strips pass through an automatic cutting system, where they are cut into perfectly equal-sized blocks. Each block now enters a pressing machine, where high pressure is applied, and a metal die leaves its mark on it. At that very moment, the name Lux appears on the simple block, and it takes the form of a fully branded soap. Now these soaps are placed in a controlled environment for drying, where moisture slowly evaporates, and their strength increases. After drying, the soaps pass through a polishing line, where their surface is made smooth and shiny. Now the fully finished soaps enter a packaging unit. High-speed machines wrap each soap in a beautiful wrapper. Each wrapper is folded at a precise angle and completely sealed. These packaged soaps are then transferred via conveyor belts into large carton boxes, where they are arranged properly. The carton boxes are sealed using an automatic sealing system and then stacked onto pallets. Now these finished cartons are ready for a new journey. Through large transport systems, they leave the factory, reach warehouses, and from there are distributed through networks to various shops. After being placed on shelves, these soaps wait for their final destination, and then, one day, a packet is picked up and reaches a home, where it is no longer just a simple product, but becomes a part of everyday life. This entire journey, from raw oil to a finished Lux soap, is a continuously running industrial system where every machine, every process, and every stage is interconnected. And this is the silent process that produces millions of soaps every day, without stopping, without tiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Metrixor, because here we don't just show products, we show the entire industry behind them. Thank you for joining me on Metrixor. I'll see you again in the next video.